So that is what we just shaded. Time-wise, it's about 3-4 o'clock, I think. Yeah. That means now we had little breaks as well.
Like 2 little breaks.
Yeah, probably like 4 or 5 hours of shading. I think maybe somewhere there. I don't know. The camera was overheating about 3 times, so I know like 3 hours completely has passed. So what I did use was a really small thin needle for the hair, so to make it nice and girly and a little hairy, as you can see, and then 15 mag pretty much for the whole thing to shade, so it becomes smooth, becomes as clean as, and then as smooth as it's now, it will be smoother as it grows, but it's not gonna grow. It will just age, and then these little tiny mini dots will kind of blur into each other, which means it will become smoother and smoother as it goes, which is good. Shading ink wise, we use raw ink because she had an allergic reaction to allegory ink, so I swapped with Sean, so I took his shading ink, and allegory would pretty much give me the same results. I think this ink was a little bit more watery than allegory, which I probably would say would take me a little bit faster to with allegory, but we don't want to gamble twice, because I only did. Imagine if I did this much shading and you had allergic reaction. That would be horrible.
Yeah.
What I did was I outlined the base lines, so like really small thin lines. I did basic shadings. So basically, I didn't make any stencils today because I mapped it our last time. Whereas if I didn't map last time and I did all in one go, fucking hell, that would be like bad. This one is healed, so that comes from the same design, and the cherries and the trees, that's like a month old now. I think it's like a month, a little bit more. I don't even know.
Yeah,
and then last year we did a tiger, and then it's also filmed and documented, and it's big. Fucking hell, it's actually quite massive. Okay, now look at that. That's quite a big sleeve you got there. I don't even know what ink I was using then, but you can see it's really smooth, clean. The pink is pink. It looks really nice in the video as well. And then because we were using that color scheme, we kind of went for this as well, for the same color scheme. And then the Geisha can become really smooth and silvery, and then the trees are quite dark because trees are dark. And then the pink in there, and then pink in there. Really nice. Flows really perfectly. Literally the tiger goes really nicely with the muscles. And then all that perfectly lines up, and then lines up, and it goes there. Maybe if you stand facing both to me to show how matchy that looks. And then this was by accident, but we kind of matched those as well. It almost like goes into that leg. Really nice. So that was not planned, that just happened by accident. Those two are almost kind of mimicking each other, and then they became mimicking each other. Really nice. That was like unplanned accident. How does it look behind?
Can't really.
Then if you turn fully back to me, then like fully back to me, yeah, it's actually quite close matching as well, because I can see the pink there. So where can I get the gimbal? And I can see the leaves there. So
Yeah.
I can see. This one goes a little bit more front, but here these ones are visible. So it's almost matchy, really close. That was also by accident. But yeah, that's today's job. And to show you my little setup, so let me get the gimbal work and behave. I used, that's black, that is, I think it was dark, light, dark, medium, light, extra light. I used those two because the fabric on Kimona is pretty light, pretty smooth. There you can see the reference photo. So naturally she's really light, and I tried to make it light but really saturated, so it's juicy, loads, and really pigmented. You can see the bed nicely wrapped up. That was the pillow we put the leg on, so it's nice cushiony. Ink wise, the ink's there, water's there. That's 15 meg, and I was using Aquas for the whole day. Yeah, nice, easy. And you can see I was shooting my gloves into it and almost managed almost. Yeah, it's been a good day. It's been a nice day. I think I have one video uploading already, one's edited, and one we just put into the PC. Oh, I know. I can give you how was the pain. You can speak.
It was alright till that last bit. The last bit.
So the last one, what she's mentioning is, see that little highlight there on her jacket there? This one here, this little line there. And for some reason, I somehow forgot to really shade, and it was as light as this is. And I was like, that gives too much light. You know what, I'm going to make it a little bit darker. I pulled 50 meg out, went a few times over. I looked at her, and I was like, fuck, she's dying. So... But it's better. Now we have a highlight on the shoulder. Now we have a highlight where it needs to be. And then the arm becomes a little bit kind of darker as it's supposed to be. So, and she's still breathing. She's still alright. So that's that.